Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. You ever heard of golden milk? Well, my doctor asked me to mix up some golden milk because it would help me. And so I have found that it has many, many properties that you might be interested in, and so I've come up with my own recipe. First of all, I just wanted to tell you that golden milk is made from this spice called turmeric. You probably have heard of it, but have you seen a turmeric root? This is what a turmeric root looks like. You break it open, and it looks kind of like the color of a really good sweet potato. The reason it has that color in it is because there's a main ingredient in it, a compound that's called curcumin. Ground turmeric looks like, and the curcumin is what gives it that color. And it has so many wonderful properties in it. And I'm going to give you some of them. One, it's anti-inflammatory. So when you have inflammation in your body, many diseases are caused by inflammation. This spice will be able to fight against that inflammation in your body. If you have things like osteo or rheumatoid arthritis, this spice could also help your brain function, improve it. Some have even said that it would help Alzheimer's. I don't know, I didn't read the test. It will also help your heart function better. Now, having told you those things, I want you to know right now that I am no doctor. I have no medical degree, but I do a lot of reading and research to find out this stuff. So if I want to take it and I share it with you, I want you to know that too. There are people who should not take this, and I'm going to give you the list, okay? The first one is if you're headed into surgery, okay? If you're headed into surgery, don't take this. If you suffer from gallstones or kidney stones, the way it works in our bodies, it would impede that and make it worse. Also, if you take medications that will reduce your stomach acid, don't take this. Also, if you are taking blood thinning medicine, don't take this because it thins your blood. And also if you're on medication for diabetes. Now, with all those things in mind and with the properties that it helps in your body, we're going to make a mix. What I found out is that if you use curcumin, the one thing that makes it function even better, if you were to just take it by itself, is black pepper. So our mix is going to have black pepper in it. And this is what it has. You need 2 tablespoons of the turmeric. Now you could grate this up. You could go to a health food store, find it and grate it up. But it's so easy just to use the powder. And you just go to the local grocery store. That's where it's found, okay? 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And you're going to mix all those things together and you're going to get golden milk right now. You can get a shallow fry pan or a saucepan, whichever. And the first thing you're going to use is 1/2 cup of plant milk. I made my own plant milk and it's from my video. This is almond milk. So we're going to put that in the pan first. The reason we're doing this in a pan is because I'm going to heat it up and you're going to drink it. It's very soothing. You could drink it cold if you want to. I particularly like it warm, so you could try it either way. But either way, you need to start with 1/2 cup of plant milk. And then you're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to use a full teaspoon of sweetener. Now this is maple syrup. You could use whatever sweetener you'd like, but use a teaspoon. And the last thing is you're going to take your mix and you're going to use 1/2 teaspoon, okay? Dump it in. Once you've done that, you're going to whisk it until it blends really, really well. Okay, that's it. And now what I'm going to do is bring it over to the stove, turn it on, and warm it up, okay? And it's warm, and here's what it looks like. And I could scrape. So this is really hot. So I'm just going to take a little bit and taste it, okay? That's good. That's really good. I also was told in some of the articles that I read that you could take this before you go to bed. You play around with it and see. You can add more sweetener if you'd like, but all you really need, once you mix it up, is a half a teaspoon with your sweetener and a little bit of vanilla. Give it a really nice taste, okay? So, till next time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell and so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. And until then, I'm gonna enjoy my golden milk. Hope you do too.